What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be taking a close look at the top projects currently building on the Harmony One blockchain. Now, we do put a lot of thought and research into these videos, so if you want more videos like this and you haven't already subscribed, then I encourage you to subscribe to this channel now. That way, as I release another well-researched video on crypto just like this, you'll get notified. And I make these videos, folks, to save you a ton of time. So if you do find this video resourceful at the end of the day and you stay to the end and you gain some knowledge on the crypto space developing on Harmony One, then show some love by liking this video. Now, before we get into it, folks, I always do have to remind you that I am not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The global crypto market began 2022 on a bearish note. However, Harmony One, which positions itself as a fast and secure platform for decentralized applications, began the year on a positive note, climbing to a high of 37 cents on the 14th of January. Well, having retracted, the project is expected to test more highs this year. Meanwhile, Harmony One is a blockchain-based decentralized platform that provides tools and functionalities for developing, hosting, managing, and deploying Dapps with maximum scalability and interoperability. It plans to become one of the main contributors to the decentralized finance space. The project seeks to offer solutions to Ethereum's current limitations. It has an ultimate goal of creating a self-sustaining environment in which users can use available tools to create markets for fungible and non-fungible tokens while benefiting from interoperability and scalability through sharding. Currently, a number of exciting projects have been built on the Harmony One blockchain. We will talk about the top ones among them in no particular order. Let's get into it. First, we have Defy Kingdoms. Defy Kingdoms is a massive project for Harmony, accounting for over 53% of the chain's total value locked. It is, first and foremost, a game, and GameFi is one durable and valuable trend in all of the crypto space due to the virality and daily retention of users that games frequently secure. The game has a nostalgia-inducing layout and smooth background music. DeFi Kingdoms also functions as a DEX, a liquidity pool, and an in-game utility-driven NFTs market that consists of heroes, equipment, and kingdoms, all delivered in a pixel-based format. Since its launch in September, the game's popularity has skyrocketed, and the team is working hard to improve it by including land, buildings, and equipment. The Jewel token will be the primary value token in the game, and you will use it to purchase the most useful items and NFTs. Additionally, Jewel can be used for minting and staking liquidity. It is also a governance token, which is an interesting concept because game users frequently have strong opinions about the direction of the game development. Next, we have OpenSwap. OpenSwap is a DeFi hub that is integrated and designed for the evolving decentralized landscape. OpenSwap is more than just an automated market maker exchange. It is a one-stop platform that provides the best on-chain pricing via its integrated portal. The project enables trades with other leading automated market maker decentralized exchanges and includes a cross-chain bridge to facilitate a future of multi-chain arbitrage and trading. It also provides clients with fixed staking rewards programs, spot market pricing, yield farming, and other services. Next, we have Artemis Protocol. Another project that presents an interesting use case for the Harmony ecosystem is the Artemis Protocol. Artemis is a DeFi suite for project incubation and bootstrapping of Harmony ideas and projects. They have a bridge from both Terra and Horizon. Artemis enables projects to join the incubator and distribute their token while building liquidity. Furthermore, applications are subject to governance and are reviewed by a third party, implying that permissionless listings are not available. This process aids in the prevention of token dumps by private and seed investors, which is a valuable model on its own. Artemis allows you to stake your MIS S tokens and earn incubating project tokens. It serves as a hub for Harmony projects as well as a way to bootstrap liquidity. Their launchpad also serves as a way for Harmony to obtain on-chain liquidity while enabling users to gain access to token sales by posting a certain amount of MIS as collateral. The project's MIS token is also a governance token. Again, users can stake it on the project's Artemis Earn feature. They also provide liquidity pools with extremely high APYs. In short, the idea of being a DeFi hub for Harmony and a vector for new projects to onboard users may give the MIS token intrinsic value as its total value locked rises. Next, we have Crypto Royale. Crypto Royale is a super fun browser play-to-earn game intentionally designed to be easy to play but difficult to master. It is gaining a reputation as a fun crypto game with no initial investment. Every day, 700 plus players battle it out on the project's battlefield to see who will survive and claim the game's HRC20 token, ROI. Since its launch on the Harmony blockchain, Crypto Royale has grown 400% with a record number of 12,082 games played the day before this grant application was submitted. This growth has been fueled by organic mentions of the game on social media, where Crypto Royale is making a name for itself as a cryptocurrency game that requires no upfront investment and has truly engaging gameplay. Crypto Royale has excellent engagement metrics. The average number of games played per day has risen to more than 60, equating to more than an hour of playtime per day. Users report the game is extremely addictive, with many having played over 10,000 games since its release. These figures exist despite a steep learning curve for newcomers, which is a common problem in PvP games. Once newcomer onboarding churn issues are resolved, engagement is expected to rise even further, with games played per day exceeding 100. Next, we have ViperSwap. ViperSwap is a decentralized exchange, an automated market maker, and a DeFi protocol that allows users to exchange tokens, provide liquidity, and earn trading fees. The DEX went live on March 8th of 2021 and is powered by Harmony One's blockchain. It takes pride in being one of the fastest and cheapest DEXs available. Basically, ViperSwap is based on a mashup of Uniswap and SushiSwap smart contracts and features an automated market maker model where users trade against liquidity pools. ViperSwap leverages Harmony's 2-second finality and extremely low transaction fees to provide one of the fastest and cheapest DEXs available today. Again, ViperSwap's swap fees are similar to those of Uniswap and SushiSwap. Each trade is charged a 0.3% fee. However, ViperSwap has a fee sharing system called the Viper Pit, which distributes 0.1% of the 0.3% fee to users who stake the Viper token in the Viper Pit's single asset staking pool. This is 50% more than what is awarded to stakeholders in SushiSwap, which rewards stakeholders with 1/6 of trading fees. Furthermore, while the protocol's Viper token has a unique lockup system designed to incentivize long-term protocol participation with the explicit goal of rewarding early and loyal liquidity providers, the token is not only used to incentivize liquidity providers, it is also a governance token. Next, we have Euphoria. Euphoria is an algorithmic reserve currency protocol on Harmony based on the WAGMI token. The WAGMI token is backed by a box of assets such as DAI, UST, WAGMI DAI, LP tokens, WAGMI UST, LP tokens, etc. in the Euphoria treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that cannot fall below. However, the traditional liquidity mining model has been arguably unsustainable despite its ability to bootstrap a project. This is because as the rewards are constantly released, there is massive selling pressure, rendering the model unsustainable. Euphoria comes up with a concept to tackle this. The idea is that liquidity is issued as bonds owned by the protocol. Basically, market participants on Euphoria can choose between two strategies, staking and bonding. Stakers stake their WAGMI tokens in exchange for more WAGMI tokens, whereas bonders exchange LP, DAI, or UST tokens for discounted WAGMI tokens distributed over a vesting period. The main advantage for stakers is increased supply. The protocol mints new WAGMI tokens from the treasury, with the majority of them distributed to stakers. As a result, the gain for investors will come from their auto-compounding balances though price exposure is still an important consideration. Stakers would profit if the increase in token balance outpaced the potential drop in price due to inflation. On the other hand, the main advantage for bonders is price consistency. Bonders put money up front in the form of DAI or LP tokens and are promised a fixed return at a certain point in time. Because the return is given in WAGMI tokens, the bonder's profit is determined by the WAGMI price at the time the bond matures. With that in mind, bonders benefit from a rising or static price for the WAGMI token. Next, we have Mochiswap. Mochiswap is a decentralized exchange launched in 2021, which currently supports the BSC and Harmony One blockchains. Mochiswap has organically grown to over 10,000 community members worldwide. These community members are mainly users who support decentralized ecosystem of swapping and incentivized liquidity pools. The Mochiswap team is dedicated to providing fully decentralized swapping to users worldwide, as well as high level of security to users and holders of the native governance tokens Mochi or HMochi. Harmony One blockchain is home to many exciting and promising projects. However, the platform still faces stiff competition from other Dapps platforms, although it is involved in some popular blockchain fields such as DeFi and NFTs. Nevertheless, whether the projects on the network are a good fit for your investment portfolio is dependent on your circumstances and risk tolerance. Remember to do your homework and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Well, there you have it, folks, the top projects currently building on the Harmony One blockchain. Now, of course, it would take me forever to go through all of the projects being built on Harmony One. So if there are some that you have been following on Harmony One blockchain that I left out, then show some love in the comments and share your thoughts on what projects you think are really hot for the Harmony One blockchain. And of course, if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, then show some love and smash that like button, please, folks. Well, till next time, I'll see you all on the next video.